Hey garden enthusiasts! Ever thought about growing your own medicinal herbs at home? It's easier than you might think. Today, I'm gonna guide you through the basics. And trust me, by the end, you'll be itching to get started. First things first, you'll need a solid starting point. That's where the Medicinal Garden Kit comes in. This kit is perfect for beginners, packed with everything you need to grow a variety of healing herbs. You can find the link in the description below. All right, let's dive in. Start with choosing the right herbs. Some great options for beginners are chamomile, peppermint, and lavender. Chamomile is fantastic for calming teas, peppermint for digestive issues, and lavender for relaxation. These herbs are not only useful, but also super easy to grow. Next, think about your soil. Medicinal herbs thrive in well-draining soil. If you're using the Medicinal Garden Kit, you're all set. Watering is crucial. Most medicinal herbs don't like to sit in water, so make sure to water them moderately. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Lastly, give your herbs plenty of sunlight. Aim for at least 6 hours a day. If you're growing indoors, a sunny window or grow lights will do the trick. And there you have it. Growing your own medicinal herbs is a rewarding and therapeutic hobby. Don't forget to check out the Medicinal Garden Kit linked below. It's a real game changer for beginners. Happy gardening! See you in the next video.